Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the flashcards stuck on loading in Goodnotes in 2026. Are your flashcards stuck on loading in Goodnotes? This can interrupt your study session, but don't worry, here's how to fix it quickly. Before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application, which is gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna search for the Goodnotes application in the search bar. Once you search for it, you're gonna click on it. And after that, you're gonna make sure to download this from the official store. And after you download and install the application, you're just gonna open it. And here you're gonna create your account or log in with your already existing account. Now, once you created an account and created your notebooks, here flashcards may rely on syncing. So you're gonna check your internet connection. Now, to create flashcards, you can look for the marketplace for the templates for flashcards. Here you can search for flashcards, or you can even create one just by creating a notebook and editing the exact format. Now, to fix the flashcards stuck on loading, you're gonna check your internet connection. You're gonna swipe down this bar right here to see if your network connection is working. Now, if it doesn't, you're gonna try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And also make sure to close the app completely, then reopen it just like this from the recent app tab. Then you're gonna relaunch it and see if the flashcards work. If it doesn't, you're gonna try to restart your device by holding the power button until you see the restart option. Then you're gonna click on it, then you're gonna restart your device and try again, try opening flashcards there. Now after that, you're gonna make sure Goodnotes is updated to the latest version. By heading to the Play Store or App Store, you're gonna check if an update is available, and if it is, you're gonna click on the update button and you're gonna update the app, then relaunch it again. Now, flashcard loading issues are usually temporary, so follow these steps and get back to studying quickly. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.